Where are we going? Are you excited? What? It's been a while. I know. Number one? You gonna drop number two? Talk to me. Really? Really? Did she? Oh no, she didn't. Oh, really? Really? All that? Why don't you tell her how you really feel? Oh, he's a good boy. Yeah. Where we at, Bo? Where are we at? We at the park? Talk to me. Talk to me. Oh, he's a good boy. Watch my mirror. You already knocked it off once. We're at the park. Time to go for our walk, right?